What's up, people? This is James, and if you're trying to reach more customers, more clients, um, Spotify is a great way to do it. And I'm gonna give you 3 ways to do it right now. Check this out. All right, so first of all, this is real creative anyway because you're trying to get people in your club. They love music. You know what kind of music they listen to. So now all you got to do is sponsor a playlist. Yeah, it's really dope. So I'm gonna let you look into that one, how you can sponsor a playlist. The second one is running ads on Spotify. Now, the cool thing about this is, again, you know what type of music that you're playing. You know what type of music that you're trying to get people in. So that's the type of music you run ads on. Now, if you're really smart, one, you'll lose. You will. I'm excited. You can tell. You can use like a local influencer or DJ. So what we've done is we've run ads on Spotify and we use DJ Camilo. So we did it 5 miles around the club. DJ Camilo ad. As soon as it comes on, everybody's ears is listening. Rap, killing it, killing it. I promise you, it'll work for you too. And you can use an influencer. Again, there's a voice that someone knows, something local. They hear it on Spotify. It's creative. They're gonna go crazy. The third one is you can also run ads on podcasts. Now, the cool thing about this is, again, this is podcasts. This is things that your audience already listens to. It's certified to them. And what makes it great is if you're offering an incentive, like, hey, a code, a buy one, get in free. Whatever the case may be, if you're offering some sort of incentive with your ad, you're going to see just how well these Spotify ads are going to do for you. Again, you want to make sure you target your location, around your location, 5 miles, put your zip code in there, and the rest is pretty much history, your ages and stuff like that, but the rest will take care of itself. Make sure it's a creative ad. If you put someone that the voice that people recognize, you'll go even a lot further. I get a lot of people hit me up like wanting help and stuff, so I created some courses to help. They're in the link in the description. I have a guru marketing toolkit that's phenomenal. Gives you all kind of tools on how to create and do things on your own. If you're strapped for money or you just want to learn more ways to be more effective in marketing your club, your restaurant, bar. I got that. I also got some books too. So check them out on Amazon in the link in the description as well. How to turn clicks into customers. This is James. As always, I appreciate your time. Give me a like. Give me some love. Thank you very much.